We took a lot of time off in 2012, but it wasn't from each other. It was just time off from music and touring and the whole whirlwind that goes along with it.
It was a pretty weighty time for us to go out and perform Nightmare for everybody.
It's hugely successful around the world and took us to a new level.
It was very therapeutic, but it was very heavy on our souls. So when we got home, we did our best to spend as much time with our family and friends and enjoy the Orange County weather as possible.
Shadows had his first child. I myself got married.
So after we came home, recharged our batteries, really tried not to think too much about what direction we wanted to head with this new album until it felt right.
Music came back into the equation of like, hey, so how do you guys feel about writing a new record? And we wanted to have a direction first. So we basically wanted to kind of suss out how everyone was feeling and what kind of direction they wanted to go on the album before we sat down and started writing.
You start having ideas, you start becoming focused, and at that point we start writing, individually, coming up with riffs and stuff. So when the call comes from my bandmates, my best friends, and Shadow says, let's get together, let's throw some riffs, let's come together and really focus our ideas, and it's time to start writing. It's, nose to the grindstone at that point.
We started talking, we started getting things rolling on the concept of what we wanted to accomplish on this record, which, is something that wasn't much different from other concepts before we went into it. We really have always wanted to make a sonically huge record.
Kick-ass riffs, huge drums, aggressive vocals, and gnarly guitar solos. And we started in September and we finished up, I don't know when, but we're here now and it's done.